on my way home. I got stuck here when it really started raining, and I'm here in a bar with a Coke Zero and my umbrella. Yeah, it really took off. You don't want to get caught in this one. And the guy who drinks ice still has to work. Good evening. I'm here on the Skywalk in Asoke, and it just started raining. We're having typical rainy season weather. I'm here in front of the Terminal 21 Mall, and this is when the skywalks come out very handy. I don't have to walk through the rain yet. Well, if I want to go home, I still have to pass a bit through the rain, of course. But as you can see, a lot of people use the skywalk to hide. I saw the dark clouds coming in from the rooftop where I live, and I thought it would be a cool idea to make a video from the skywalk. I haven't filmed the skywalk between Asoke and Nana for a long time either, so that's why we are here. The rain is already letting down a little bit. Yeah, in the last couple of days we've had clear blue skies in the early morning, then during the day some clouds came in, and we always have rain. This is the third or fourth night in a row that it's raining. I have an umbrella with me, so I might have to walk the last piece through the rain. As I can see, the weather's laying down already. These skywalks are actually brilliant. If you want to walk, it will protect you for the rain and for the sun. You see here the streets are getting flooded a little bit, but it's not raining that bad. Here you have the Koreatown. So normally I always give the updates from down there. famous Bata Falls are running. Yeah, so when it rains, this also becomes a bit of a stream of water, a little waterfall. So we are here in front of the Sofitel, Sukhumvit Soi 13. Smart man trying to catch a taxi. It's not raining that hard at the moment, luckily. Here we are in front of the Hyatt Regency. They have a beautiful rooftop, and somebody was asking the other day what happens with the rooftops in the raining season. Well, they're all open, but only when it rains really hard. The rooftop at that time or that moment is not open, but normally on regular days there's no problems. So don't worry about that. Don't cancel your ideas of going to rooftops, because that's actually one of the nicest things you can do in Bangkok. So let's go up here. Yeah, so I already did plenty of rain walks on the street, so this one I wanted to do from the Skywalk. You know, I noticed these top Charoon shops, and they always have nice colors. They always buy these white buildings and then they put all the colored lights on it. At the entrance of Sukhumvit Soi 11. You know, this is great for the bars because everybody wants to sit inside now. Actually, if you're in Bangkok and it rains, I can recommend go and walk up the skywalks here. These are perfect locations to just watch the people on the street. Here we have Soi 8. Yeah, I already finished the video on the sky bridge, and I was walking in the direction of home, and it just took off. And what you see, when it really rains too much, the streets get flooded. Yeah, nobody in the Zanzibar now. New parking space here. On my way home, I got stuck here when it really started raining, and I'm here in a bar with a Coke Zero and my umbrella. Yeah, it really took off. You don't want to get caught in this one. And the guy who brings ice still has to work. So I hope you enjoyed this update regarding the rain here on the Skywalk and a little bit here in the bar. If you enjoyed this update, feel free to subscribe, drop me a line, and see you guys in my next video.